this granny square is going to be using all 4 colours, which means that each side is going to be a different colour. I've put the colours in the order that I want to use them. Starting with this one, make 4 chain. Slip stitch together to form a loop. And then make 1, 2, 3 chain and work 2 treble into your first chain loop. Hold that yarn out of the way and pick up your second one. Pull the loop through. Make sure you leave long enough ends to be able to sew them in later on. Yarn over with both strands into the hole over and pull 1 strand through, then finish off your treble and make another 2. Pull your yarn out of the way, pick up your 3rd colour to work your chain. Pick up both strands to do your yarn over into the hole and then just the 1 strand to pull it through. If it's a little bit untidy, you can tidy that up just by tugging these ends. 2 more trebles. And for the final colour, hold your ends out of the way. Work your chain in the new colour. Again, yarn over into the hole, yarn over and through, and make your treble and another 2. One chain and slip stitch to your 3rd chain on the other side. Okay, turn, slip stitch into your chain loop. Now this time, remember, we're going to be doing 3 colour changes, so this might get a little bit confusing, but your colours are all sitting there in the order ready for you to use them. 1, 2, 3 chain and 2 trebles. Over into your next corner, 3 trebles. Put your yarn to one side and pick up the next one, work your chain. Put your hook under that strand, bring it out and over, then into your hole, yarn over and through to finish off your treble. And 3 treble into the next corner. Pull that one out of the way, work a chain, hook under that yarn, over the top of that one into the hole and finish off your treble. Then 3 trebles into your next corner. Put that yarn out the way, pick up the next one that you need to use to make your chain, hook under that bar and through there to work your trebles, and then 3 trebles into the next corner. With this one you need to do your final chain in the same colour as you're using and slip stitch to the 3rd chain opposite, turn, slip stitch into your chain space and 1, 2, 3 chain and 1, 2 trebles. You should be getting the hang of this, so I'm just going to speed things up a little bit. And there you have your final block. Just needs the end sewing in.